Imagine a world where plants are not just passive greenery, but active hunters. Welcome to the world of carnivorous plants. These green wonders have a unique twist to their existence. They thrive in habitats where the soil is poor in nutrients, leading to an intriguing adaptation. They've become meat eaters, drawing nutrients not from the earth but from insects and small animals. It's a survival strategy that's as remarkable as it is ruthless. These fascinating plants have developed extraordinary ways to lure, capture, kill, and digest their prey. Carnivorous plants employ a variety of ingenious techniques to catch their prey. Each species has evolved its own unique method of trapping and digesting insects. The Venus Flytrap, for instance, uses a snap trap mechanism. With hair-triggered jaws, it snaps shut in less than a second when an unsuspecting insect touches it. In contrast, the pitcher plant employs a pitfall trap. This plant lures its victims into a hollow, slippery interior filled with digestive enzymes. Once inside, the insect finds it impossible to escape and meets its demise. And then there's the sundew plant. It uses a different strategy altogether. Its leaves are covered in long tentacles tipped with sticky mucilage. When an insect lands on the sundew, it becomes trapped in this sticky substance and is slowly digested. These plants have truly turned the tables on the food chain, making them a captivating topic of study for botanists and nature enthusiasts alike. There is so much more to learn about these remarkable plants. Dive deeper into this captivating world by reading books, watching documentaries, and joining forums about carnivorous wonders. Every discovery you make adds to the collective understanding of these unique organisms. Don't hesitate to share your experiences, ask questions, or start a conversation in the comments section. We're all here to learn and grow together. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the natural world. Stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring.